Hello students, welcome to the fourth lecture of your subject Data Communication and Networking EC 701. In this lecture we are going to tell what we had covered in the previous class and what we are going to cover in this particular class, right? In the previous lecture, we discussed about the different switching techniques, how these switching techniques works, what are the different types of the switching technique, that is the circuit switching and the packet switching. And in detail we discussed about what's the difference between the circuit and packet as far as the switching part is concerned. And then we had covered the different types of transmission medium. That transmission medium is also called channels in the networking part of the communication system. So various kind of the channels available in the computer networks are, it will be either guided medium or unguided medium, and that guided medium is called wired channel or wired medium, and similarly this unguided medium is called wireless channel. Fine. So we have seen what are the various guided mediums or wired channels are available, like copper cables, coaxial cables and so on. And when any kind of signal propagates through wireless medium, or if the open air transmission will be done, then what are the possibility, what are the effects, that we had covered in the previous class. Fine. So in this lecture, the content which we are going to cover is the different types of network topology. As far as the computer network is concerned, these topologies are very important. Fine. So the topologies means, as you can see in the right hand side of the diagram, suppose these are different nodes. You can assume as the different computers, how they are connected with each other. What are the possibilities through which we can connect different nodes or different computers to each other? So these are called topologies. Fine. So the different topologies that we are going to cover is bus topology, ring topology, star topology, mesh topology, tree topology, and if we are combining all the topologies or more than two kind of topologies, then the final one is called the hybrid topology. Okay. So it is very interesting part in computer networks. So we will cover all these topologies and details of each and every topology, what are the specifications, how it will function, everything we will cover in this class. And then if the time permits, we'll see the basics of a very common model which is called Open System Interconnection or OSI model. Fine. So in the starting of the subject, I told you that your overall subject based on this OSI model, which is having 7 different layers. So if we are connecting two different sources, two different nodes or two different computers through the computer networking, then how the communication will go on, so or how the different protocol works. So that will be explained by this OSI model, right? So if you are having any issues in this subject, you can directly contact us, either Dr. Akash Mekwan or me, and I will sort out all the queries which will be asked by you, right? Thank you. All the best.